Hi, Killer. How are you doing? Weather is pretty nice. Pretty lovely today. Amsterdam, how cool. Is Amsterdam as cool as everyone makes it seem? Seems like a fun place. It looks like I belong in Texas. I would love to go to Texas. I say it on here all the time. I've never been to Texas. Seems like a good place. Come on. I am single, yes. I haven't been anywhere besides America, but from someone who lives here, I definitely love it. Thank you, Redkirk. I think every situation is different. I'm not going to be the judge if something is cheating or not for someone else. Everyone has a different situation, so you never know what someone's going through. Yep, very single. It's good for right now since I'm super busy, but I would definitely love a companion, you know? Hi, Roofing Framing. Do you do roofing? If you do, that's awesome. I love guys that can be handy. Such a good skill to have. What would you say? What do you think? What size do you think? Thank you guys also for following. I mean, I have my dog Shadow, and she's awesome. I'm almost done with school. Things are going pretty good. I get to open up my salon soon, so lots of reasons to be super happy. I'm very grateful. I'm doing very well, Kumar. I do have a Facebook account. If you go onto my Instagram, I think you could probably get to my Facebook from there. I don't really use it very often, but I do have one. Thank you, Sharkbait. I do love the outdoors. I'm so excited that summer's gonna be here. There's nothing I love more than going out camping and barbecue and all that stuff. So exciting. You guys campers? And I don't camp in a camper. I camp in a tent. Although I'll probably be in a camper at Burning Man, which I'm going to. Anyone else going to Burning Man this year? You live in the outdoors? Well, you must be one tough fellow then. New York? I've never been to New York before. Thank you, Pimentel. Jade Pimentel, nice to have you here again. From the Philippines, how cool. Hi, Nuck. Hello, from Colorado. Do you like South Park? I love that show, it's hilarious. From Texas, yay. What part of Texas are you from? Biggin. That name is so fitting for you, isn't it? Okay, thank you, Shark. San Antonio, very cool. Come on, Lucy. You know, I was thinking of getting a beagle. One of my top fans on here suggested a beagle, and I think that would be adorable. I think Khaleesi and Shadow would get along with a beagle. North of Austin, very cool. Muchas gracias, Josu or Hosu. I am from Las Vegas. Sin City, as they say. That was your favorite dog ever? Well, yeah, I'm really thinking about it. Was it a male or a female? Khaleesi, be a good girl. Khaleesi. You're visiting Vegas in May? Come on. That's cool. It might be a bit hot though. That's when it starts to get like really, really hot, but it will still be fun. Come on, Khaleesi. Come on. But that's awesome. What are you going to Vegas for? Business or pleasure? Or both? Good morning to you. Thank you, John. Khaleesi, come on, come on. Come on, Khaleesi. It's okay, come on. Come on. Khaleesi, come on. Thank you so much. I have to get, my dog hears other dogs and she freaks out. Come on, Khaleesi. It's a Rottweiler. She's actually my sister's dog, but I have a golden retriever. Her name is Shadow. They're both females. My sister has to work, so I'll take turns with my dog and her dog so that they could